Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Balkan Green Wizard 2025 add-on on Kodi, step by step and super easy. If you're new here, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our latest Kodi tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Small blue diamond step 1. Download the Balkan Green Wizard 2025 add-on zip. First, you need to download the Balkan Green Wizard 2025 add-on zip file. You'll find the download link in the comments section below this video. Go ahead, click the link, and save the zip file somewhere easy to access, like your downloads folder. Small blue diamond step 2. Open Kodi. Now launch Kodi on your device. Once Kodi is open, go to the add-ons menu from the home screen. At the top left corner, you'll see the open box icon. That's the package installer. Click on it. Small blue diamond step 3. Install from zip file. Next, select install from zip file. If this is your first time installing a third-party add-on, Kodi might show a warning about unknown sources. Don't worry, this is normal. Just go to Settings, System, Add-ons, Enable Unknown Sources. Once that's done, come back to the Install from zip file option. Small blue diamond step 4. Locate and install the add-on. Navigate to the folder where you saved the zip file earlier. Click on the Balkan Green Wizard 2025 zip file. Kodi will now install the add-on. Wait a few seconds, and you'll see a notification confirming that Balkan Green Wizard 2025 has been installed successfully. That's it. You're all set. Enjoy using Balkan Green Wizard 2025 and explore all the amazing features it brings to Kodi. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Waving hand fire.